Hi, my name is Kanishan from Kilstant White Ants. Today we'll be showing you this property that we have done the Advance Termite Reticulation System, and currently we are doing the internal section, and we have previously done the external section. So let us show you how this system is installed for a property like this during the renovation stages. And this system is highly recommended during the renovation stages because it will be permanently be embedded or part of the house moving forward. So let's show you how this is done. Come, let's go. So for this is the external section. The house is extended on the side. Alright. We have already pre-done the system over here, which we will show you in this video, and the injection point is strategically located here. So this injection point will have an injection box, which we'll read later on, and this will be the points where the termite chemical will be injected. So the advantage of having a system like this is amazing, because number one, the works or the chemical injection, everything will be done from the outside. So there's no need for us to actually enter the building to do this termite activity or termite. But two is that most of the house owners like this choose to install the system like this is because they might have pets, they might have their elderly or the older people, or they might even have kids who are staying in the house, and they don't want chemical application or chemical airborne to be sprayed and stuff like that. So we do it very strategically and also in a smart manner. And okay, so this is the internal section of the house, and is currently the tiles are being removed at the moment. So this will be the perfect stage for you to install the advanced termite system before the tiles is being laid. This is done during this stage, so that the application of the system, it's the amazing thing is that it can be done during renovation stages or even for an existing building. The only thing is that you got to do the change of tiling, and we will install the system and the pipes underneath the tiling, and I will show you how this is done. Okay, so as you can see here, we have actually done the termite installation for this section. Okay, come, let me show you. So we have to do a cut or a trench. Come closer. We have to look at a trench, right? So this trench is done all according around 1 feet away from the wall, and why we do this is because the system can be neatly placed. All right, and then we have this dispenser. This dispenser is where the chemical will be dispersed into the soil, right? So this is strategically done at every 5 feet. So as you can see, this is the dispenser, right? And this will be strategically placed at every 5 feet apart. So we will actually neatly cut the system, cut the slab. Come. Right? So for a room like this, come to the room. Okay? For a room like this, as you can see, the system, it circulates the whole building, right? It circulates the whole room. Okay. So as you can see, why? Because the termites usually come at this cut. These are all the termite entry points. So we will have the dispenser over here, the closest, and we might place another dispenser over here. So we strategically place this dispenser so that the chemical, once it absorbs into the soil, so this is where the chemical will drop, right? So this chemical absorbs into the soil, and it will protect. It will protect this area. Okay, it will protect the area. So at every 5 feet, we have the dispenser, right, as close as possible to the wall. Okay, so this dispenser again, as close as possible to the wall. Okay, so this will be done all along, accordingly along the perimeter of the wall. You can show the audience. Okay, so we neatly cut, and we are installing the system. We're installing the system all along the perimeter of the wall. Right, all along the perimeter of the wall. Okay, so once the system is already laid, we will actually top up or backfill with this sand to cover the system. Okay, so our workflow works in a manner that we install the system, and then we will actually do the chemical injection or the testing of the system, and subsequently, before you move in, once the tiling is all done, amazingly your house will be ready. Before the owner moves in or before you move in, we will do the second round of chemical injection, a fresh round of chemical right before you move in, so that this would ensure that the termite chemical is fresh from the day you move in. So this is our system, and for more information, please visit our website www.kilstant.my, or you can even contact us. The contact will be at the end of the video. Thank you.